Thank you for watching. My name's Doug. This is Doug's Opener Classics. So today I'm at the Cosy Cup meet in Billericay, arranged by Steve of Steve's Breakfast Meets. He's got a Facebook group. I'd highly recommend that you join that group so you can find out about these meets. So I'm just going to do a walk around tour of the meet. So what we have today, this is a pre-90s meet. There is some absolutely, again, incredible bits of kit here. There's always brilliant cars, a variety of cars, great people come to this meet. So I'm just going to do a quick sort of overview of what there is. If you can make it, I would highly recommend you do. It's down Ty Common Road in Billericay. There is a really good representation of Mk1 Escorts today. RS2000s. There's a Mk1 twin cam. I've loaded a separate video about that actually from a previous meet here.
Hey? They're very small, yeah, I know, but it has lowered it a tiny bit. Yeah. No,
Fantastic angular van, owned by Phil. So I'm hoping to catch up with Phil later and have a chat about this. Mk1 Mexico, that's mine to be fair. Twin cam. So I've loaded a separate video about that one from a previous meet here. So this is a pre-90s meet, although if you speak to or message Steve if you've got an interesting car, and I'm sure he will say there's no problem you bringing it. Gardner Douglas. I've done a separate video of a ride out in that particular vehicle. That is phenomenally fast, I can't tell you. You alright? This is a good example of the variety of cars that come to this meet. This is just like always such a great way to spend a Saturday morning. So 4.5 TVR Cerbera. Probably not interesting for you, but I had a Cerbera. I had a 4.2 AJP one, and that was an absolute weapon of a car. Go Mark II RS2000. Absolutely beautiful. Really prepared Mk1. So last weekend, actually, I went to the AVO National Day at Warwick. So to see all these beautiful Mk1s again, that is absolutely amazing. I'm thinking that might be Jai with his Ferrari. I'll have a chat with Jai. Sierra Sapphire Cosworth. I've got a really bad thing. I keep on looking at them. Not that I can afford one, but they are absolutely lovely. Right, let's see what else there is here. I've already done a bit of a scope out of the meet, but I've not actually walked around the whole thing yet. This is absolutely a brilliant thing here, look. Check this out. Still working, on the road, being used. I'm not honestly sure what it is. A Singer. It's a Singer. There you go. Look at that. Fantastic. What an absolute brilliant selection of cars we've got here. I've seen this Chevrolet at Northfield and a couple of times here. That is a brilliant bit of kit. Ferrari Dino. Here you go. So that is a very, very, very brief overview and look at what is here so far. It's relatively early during the day, so I'm sure there's going to be more cars coming. So yeah, don't forget, Steve's Breakfast Meets on Facebook. Keep an eye out for all the different meets and events that he organises. They're always really, really, really good. Steve also organises the North Weald meet at the airfield. This one is where I am today. The Cosy Cup is generally on a Saturday morning, but the dates, well, it's always a Saturday, but the dates do change as they do for the North Weald one. So if you join Steve's group, and come along if you can, and it'd be great to see your car. Brilliant. Well, thank you for watching. I'll do some more little walk around of the meet, and I will see you soon. Thank you.